how do you treat your children essentially depends on the belief system you have about children and people in general. If you generally believe positively about your own kids, you are likely to treat them differently than if you have some feeling that they are not up to mark. For example, when they make a mistake, you may be going to their rescue and resolving or getting them out of the problem that they face as a result of the mistake they made. That means you are creating dependence. You are a rescuer. You are a real good father, but you are rescuing them. Or you may lose your temper, reprimand them, criticize them, and shout at them and warn them, point out the consequence of the mistake they made, etc. etc. This is what we call as a critical style of a parent. This creates feelings of incompetence in them. Sometimes they may also start rebelling against the authority figures, may develop inferiority feelings, and so on. Suppose you sit with them, reason it out, help them to discover why they made the mistake, what are the reasons why it has resulted in this, what are the consequences, and so on, and help them to reason out not to repeat the mistake to the extent things are in their control. Then you are a developmental father. That means you are building self confidence in them, you are helping them to discover the extent to which they can make things happen and bring change so that they may not make this mistake once again. So we have three types of parental styles: a paternalistic or a maternalistic style, which is nurturing style, rescuing style. Second is a critical style, disciplining style or reprimanding style. And third is a more mature developmental style or uh, empowering kind of a style, and so on. Choose what kind of style you want to use in bringing children. And the same thing applies also in terms of managing your juniors at the workplace. All the best to develop the most appropriate style.